What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. I'm actually gonna put gas real quick on the 440i for the wifey to take to work, but I did want to talk to all of you about something crazy that's happening. Other YouTubers that are car enthusiasts and that are focused channels on car building had talked about this, and it kind of threw me up for a surprise because, hey, guess what? If you modify your car in any way, you know, anything that you do, turbochargers, exhausts, especially exhausts, air intakes, I mean, anything. If you mod your car in any specific way, that is about to be taken away. What I'm trying to say here is that the EPA is trying to take away our ability to work on cars. And what that means is that if they pass this bill, we can no longer work on our cars, and the police, law enforcement can pull us over and take away our cars, give us a fine. It's just going to be a very, very ugly time for us people that love to work on our cars. So what can you do? There's a link in my description and you can fill it out. It'll take you a couple of seconds. You can petition and just give them your feedback, give them your thoughts on why do you love working on cars. I mean, my excuse here is, one, this is my channel, this is my hobby, this is my passion. I want to make this, I would love to make this my career, where I could just make videos like this for you guys, work on my cars as freely as I can without any limitations. It's also a stress reliever. I find it, I have a crazy hectic life. I mean, I do so many things, and working on my car is one of those things that it's like stress relieving. It's mental health, at least for me. So guys, look, let's not lose our ability to work on our cars as freely as we want. The government is trying to just put their hands on everything, and they're trying to just control this aspect as well. And I get it, you know, there's people out there that just love to just do crazy things with their cars. I mean, they do donouts and burnouts, they stop traffic to do races, and I get it. You know what, I'm not perfect. I have 2 points on my record, I'm gonna be honest, because hey, I speed and I love to go fast, but I also try my best to behave. And even though I may be an idiot sometimes, I know my limitations and I know what to do. So there is this bill that SEMA is trying to pass called the RPM Act, which basically just kind of counteracts what the EPA is trying to do. And I stand behind it. I read what they stand behind, and I completely encourage this bill, RPM Act. There's a lot of people out there that will lose their jobs, their businesses, because if this bill gets passed, people that we love to work with, all these auto shops, motorsports companies, will lose their businesses and take away the ability for us to support those companies that we love to work with all the time. There's a few companies that I love to stand behind, like Kies Motorsports, Auto Tuning, Pro Tuning Freaks, and there's many more that if this bill gets passed, they will lose their jobs. And there's a lot, I mean, there's just thousands of people out there that will lose and be affected by this bill if it gets passed. So guys, look at the link in my bio, check out what SEMA is doing with the RPM Act, and let's not let the government take hold of this. This is our hobby, this is our passion, and just, I mean, yo, like, come on now, this is our passion, guys. Let's stand behind it, let's fight it, and just go through it. So learn more about it and go to the description, click on it, fill out that petition. It'll take you a few seconds. And again, guys, let's not lose our mods on our car. This is our passion, it's our hobby, it's something that we love to do, right? So let's fight for it. All right, guys, well, thank you so much, and I'll catch you on the next video.